Tuesday, May the 3rd, 2022. This group of cattle have just moved into a fresh block of grass. You can see to the left here where they were the last 24 hours. This is a beautiful mix of Hairy Vetch. You can see the Hairy Vetch plants down in here. Serrated leaves, very high protein. Also very effective nitrogen producers with record high prices of nitrogen in the United States. Making your own is a great way to do it. Extremely damp for this time of the year. Soils are 100% waterlogged. Cattle are very happy. This is a perfect sward. Heavy animals enjoying themselves the last meal of the day. They're perfectly content. They just watched me set up the fence. They could really care whether I was here or not. They've actually got a full tummy right now. This is just kind of like topping off a perfect day with another high calorie intake right before dark. So anyway, over and out from northeast Missouri, near Canton, Missouri, Lewis County, 3 miles from the Mississippi River. John Wood, over and out. Thank you very much for listening.